Car is dirty, you gotta run through car wash. Usually I wash my car myself, but it's too cold to wash. So there's bird poop. It's not good for the car paint. So it's dirty. We're gonna run it through the car wash. So let's take it to the car wash. Go. So we're gonna go to a local car wash, not far from here. Like I said, it's too cold to wash the car outside. And this is actually my first time running my car through car wash. Previously, once or twice, I took it to a brushless car wash. But I was told by my service advisor at the Mercedes that don't use the brushless because they have chemicals that are not good for the paint. They prefer to wash it by hand, but it's okay once in a while to wash it through the regular car wash. So I have to do a few things. I have to run my car through the car wash, and then I have to stop at Harbor Freight, pick up a tool. I want to fix my door, and I gotta put back a part of the fence that separates my vegetable garden from the other yard. So we got like few projects, small projects in hand, and you guys are coming along with me. So let's do it. I came to pick up some groceries right there. So you gotta have your mask on no matter what. So make sure you're safe, and it's better than to be sorry. So I'm gonna go grab some groceries from there. It just came in the mind that I need a few things before I head to the car wash. So it's gonna be car wash, no, it's gonna be grocery store, car wash, Harbor Freight, and then the rest of it. So let's go and do it. I'm gonna go pick up some groceries. So we are approaching by the car wash, and they have automatic car wash and self-service car wash, and I'm not gonna do the self-service here. So here you pay what you want with your credit card, and then the ones that let's pay and get over with it. One thing about this car wash is good. They actually make sure there's no bird poop or anything on your car. They brush it. So he's the one who selects what you paid for, and then the car wash starts. was touching the bottom plastic part of my car. So once I'm done, I'm gonna go out and see what happened. These are the dryers. I came and picked up my tools from Harbor Freight. I have to do something with my door, and I hope the tool that I bought works for it. So let's keep the fingers crossed and let's head out home now. So we have to count probably 59.5 over here. And just put the fence on. Let's do it.
Good. I got.
Purple came with it. Beautiful work, girls. So we end up installing everything back. We got the new fence. We have to take everything off, and now everything is back on. Gate is fixed. So that's that project. let's go ahead and put the screws on. All you gotta do is line them up. But once we line them up, the only thing we have to do is to put the pins in. So our grill is good to go. Let's take off the tape. So if you look how our grill looks, a little bit of TLC and it's good to go. I did not paint this part. It looks rusty, but I'm gonna clean, but the rest of you see looks really good. So guys, this is how you just do small errands around the house. It's been Christmas and all those holidays and everything, and I've been lazy. What I would suggest, if you like this video, go and look a few of my other videos, and if they appeal to you or if you like them, please subscribe my channel, become part of the YouTube family and help this channel grow. Thank you so much and see you again. Bye.